Hi, Dave McKernan. I'm the coordinator of emergency management for Fairfax County, Virginia, and you are currently in the Emergency Operations Center. We're conducting a 3-day exercise. The exercise includes a tornado touchdown. Again, this is an exercise. This is all pretend. But we take it all very seriously. The pretend tornado touched down in the Centerville area, proceeded into Chantilly and Fair Oaks. We had about 63,000 people that would have been affected by this tornado. Currently, again in this pretend scenario, we've had over 30 fatalities, over 300 injuries, many buildings damaged, including schools, businesses, and homes. Right now, the damage to Fairfax County buildings is about $10 million, and we expect that to go up as the days go on. We are currently responding to and helping our residents, either removing them from damaged buildings. We have opened 5 shelters, and we are supporting our residents as best as we can. This is an opportunity for you to remember to be prepared for these types of events. It is a personal thing to do, to be prepared for these type of events. Thanks.